Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change your password in the Best Buy app. If you want to keep your account secure and update your login information, this guide will make the process quick and simple for you. First, open the Best Buy app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the profile icon. Then, scroll down and click on Account Settings to access your personal account information. After that, find the option labeled Change Your Password and tap on it. You will be prompted to enter your current password. Once entered, type your new password carefully and then confirm it by typing it again to avoid any mistakes. Finally, click on the Save button to update your password. Your account is now secured with the new password, and you can use it to log in immediately. Changing your password in the Best Buy app is fast and helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Always remember to choose a strong password and keep it safe for future use. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.